is the first location of the shoot, and it's a playground.
Where I got inspiration from Buddy the Clown, I remember watching It, the remake of 2017, and I guess after that, I kind of had this itch, and I was just wondering, what am I gonna write about? What is it? One day I was just driving around the corner, and I just seen Halloween stores and displays of just clown costumes. Once I started writing the first line, I knew what I was gonna get myself into.
What up, Josh? You ready?
I'm ready.
The difficulty for Buddy the Clown, it was so much bigger. Despite it being a short, it was a lot bigger than what we had previously done a year before. I had to cast actors, find locations, and just get a budget for food, time, and how much it was going to be done after the project, even in post.
This is why I love Brandon. He's always doing me huge solids.
All right, we're gonna get ready for the first shot in a couple minutes. Right now, we're getting the makeup done right now, and we're waiting for our other actors. Well, the movie's about this man who's gonna tell a story, and in the storytelling, we have like little flashbacks of the said antagonist, which is the villain of the movie. And with it, we're just gonna have like fun, short, little scary story, something to get our adrenaline pumping throughout the entire shoot. This other actor who came in and auditioned and sent me a self-tape, Rodrigo, he completely nailed it. I love his unpredictability. It was there in every aspect, and he came in and he nailed it.
Such a shame that he will always be known as creep who murdered her mother and her son.
Like, it was a little intimidating when he came in and started acting a little creepy, childish in a man's body, and I was like, he really went above and beyond what I was expecting, what I was envisioning for this character.
Scene 1A, take 3.
Would you go first? That can get from behind the tree.
Sweetie, what did we talk about?
I mean, I could say like, oh yeah, it was so great filming it, but literally filming it on location was crazy and nail biting because a lot of things happened. I wanted to go in this, planned out everything, and just like in film, anybody and everyone will tell you nothing goes as planned. We were setting up, we were about to start filming, and from the right of us, from behind us, right over there at the bench, there was these people arguing. So apparently this guy was walking his dogs, started a commotion with his other dogs right there, and the woman said something to him and they just started going at it. So we're just looking, and I look at Alex and he's like, dude, we gotta put an end to this because it's gonna last long and forever. So Alex and I go over there and we tell him, like, look, we reserved the spot, we have permits here, can you please move? And the guy starts saying like, oh, I don't care, it's my park, you know, this and that, and he starts going off on us. And I'm like, guy, we got permits here they are. He's like, oh, okay, all right, I'm sorry. And he starts cussing us out again. So he eventually leaves. We're about to film again. A truck comes by. And at that moment, my heart sank, and I could tell you that every wrong thing was going on in my head. I'm like, oh my God, they're gonna kick us out. Oh my God, we're gonna get thrown out, and I'm gonna get embarrassed in front of everybody here. So,
Of course.
So the park ranger came and he told me, like, do you have a permit? I pulled it out. I'm like, look, here it is. And he says, well, the neighborhood is complaining about you guys cussing and disturbing the silence. And I was like, no, it wasn't us. It was just a random guy. He gave us trouble, but it's all good now. The guy was about to pull away, and guess who comes back? The guy with the dogs who was cussing us out comes in and starts wrecking us, and he's just going off and off and off, and I'm in my head, I was like, oh my God, this can't be happening. We just started shooting, and you know, I paid, I did my things, I paid, I got a signature. If you want, email this guy, it's all good. And park ranger said okay. They left us alone, and we never heard from them again.
Okay, so I'm gonna have you put 2 little hooks like this on your forehead. Okay? Put them. Let go. There you go. Ta-da! Done. Just kidding.
Casting the child actors was very easy. You know, Alex's wife, she runs talent management for kids. It's called Precious Kids Talent Management. I had literally a variety to choose from, but I only saw 2 kids, and that was Brandon and Jasmine. Those 2 kids, you know, I see them a lot, and I already know what they can bring to the table. Brandon, he's a bright and, you know, funny kid. I told him, all right, Brandon, I need you to, this scene is very intense, you know, so-and-so just happened to this and that. You know, you gotta deliver. And he's like, I got you, dude. I'm like, all right.
When I say light's coming on, it means that a very bright light is coming on.
Yep.
And do not look at it.
Yeah.
Okay? So lights are coming on. Striking. 2, 1. There we go. Okay?
It's usually not that bad ever.
Yes. But for the youngins, don't look directly at these two guys.
Yeah.
When
And
you
don't
say
touch
that,
those, 'cause they're
I
so
want
hot.
to do that.
Bianca, one of our second leads, she was introduced to me by one of my best friends, Cameron. He just so happened to be like, hey, you know, I want to introduce you to somebody. She's a director, she's a writer and actor too. I seen some of her reels, and I knew that she could display the emotion of fear, that expression of vulnerability to this character that I seen, and she did really well with it.
Back it up.
Yeah, but back it up a minute.
Yeah, can you back it up?
Could you just frame me out?
I mean, I don't want to see that much.
Very good, bro.
Right there. See, maybe. Ready, Scott?
Yep. Let's speed it.
You tell us later afterwards.
That's good. I like that one.
Okay, we're good, Josh.
Yeah, for the clown portion, it was really easy because he knew what I envisioned. I go up and tell him, hey, Rodrigo, for this scene, you could do, I wanted it to be like this, almost like if you're just toying with your victim here. And he's like, okay, but I want to know if I could do it like this or like this. And in my head, I just told him, like, I don't think you really need me here because you know exactly what I want.
Get in front of the stairs and blow it down towards us too.
Oh yeah, dude.
Oh yeah. Just stay there. Hold it.
We're gonna be premiering this at the Daily Brew Cafe, and I've been going to this cafe for about more than a year now, and the owner is just an amazing all-around guy. He's a very wise guy who's just very funny in general, very good person. A lot of people attended to it, which was like, I don't know, it was really great to see all the support and everyone who came out to support the film, our work and everything that we put into it. Thank you guys, you know, we really appreciate it, and we're really here to entertain you guys. That's our goal. That's always our goal whenever we come out with a new one. That's what we work for, and it's what we do. Yeah, just seeing the audience's reaction to all the parts that I wanted to have a good reaction to it was great, and it was exactly what I intended it to be. After this premiere, we're not gonna stop there. We're gonna keep pushing the envelope to making bigger and better things. My goal is to take everybody away from this world, you know, away from bills, away from all that stuff that we really care less about. Yeah, we just can't wait to work on the next one. It's gonna be bigger, it's gonna be better, and in the words of Alex, it's gonna be badass.
Snapping trap, that's a wrap.
Okay, you guys, everybody, how do you guys feel about a group photo on the couch with these cool lights up and the haze going?
Yo, yo, yo!